है लिए हथियार दुश्मन ताक में बैठा उधर, और हम तैयार हैं सीना लिए अपना इधर। खून से खेलेंगे होली कर वतन मुश्किल में है, सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में। What a beautiful rendition of Bismil Azimabadi's poetry by Prasoon Joshi. Rang De Basanti as a movie belongs to a long list of nationalistic and Indian freedom struggle related cinema. Let us jump into what separates it from the rest. Rang De Basanti is a rare gem and an unsettling tale about the awakening of the youth. There is no dearth of substance in the narratives. It is a seamless blend of two parallel sequences in a fight against the respective alter ego of the characters. Director Rakesh Omprakash Mehra adds purest vision to his cinema and beautifully uses realism to portray the ideological differences. A bunch of aimless young friends, revolutionaries, agents of change, as you may wish to call them, discover deep patriotism underlying in their hearts as they work on a documentary on Indian freedom fighters. जिंदगी जीने के दो ही तरीके होते हैं, एक जो हो रहा है होने दो, बर्दाश्त करते जाओ, या फिर जिम्मेदारी उठाओ उसे बदलने की. This movie is an apt response to Guru Dutt's question, जिन्हें नाज है हिंद पर वो कहाँ है. This soul-stirring story is a critique on the MiG-21 crashes, corruption, religion and politics in the sleeping youth. An uncompromising content lets us have a face-off with the reality of the society. Like its name, you cannot get over its invincible colors. It is immortal in its beliefs and what it preaches. The Rang De Basanti effect still inspires the genetic code of revolutionaries and their candle marches. A.R. Rahman and Prasoon Joshi wake you up with their work. The music has been skillfully crafted and lyrics are equally thought-provoking. No better way than Ek Onkar to start with. Rebellious Khalbali, victorious Rubaru, buoyant Pathshala all delve perfectly into the screenplay and propel the narrative. The writer-composer duo makes the story of RDB abundant with beautiful and sophisticated compositions. No over-choreographed numbers, no story-killing songs, no eye-candy actress depictions. Just variety in tracks, creativity in the arrangement, and emotions in poetry. Khoon Chala is a wonderful example. Just like raging blood, it grows upon you with every single line. कुछ कर गुजरने को खून चला, आँखों के शीशे में उतरने को खून चला. And now comes the most touching piece of the album, Luka Chupi, involving a mother asking her son to come back and son assuring that he has found a better place for himself. The scene where Madhavan's last belongings arrive and Wahida Rahman opens the door, Rahman's voice goes, कैसे तुझको दिखाऊं यहाँ है क्या, मैंने झरने से पानी माँ तोड़ के पिया है. This had us all break down every single time. This movie not only introduces an innovative storytelling structure to the oblivious audience, but also subtly uses transitions to hybridize parallel stories. The use of whip pan and cinematography to display chaotic situations and hectic pace of action is absolutely admirable. जिंदा रहने की लड़ाई में जिंदगी निकल जाती है. Subjects of the story are rich and emblematic. Karan's character has been intelligently used to tie the storyline, who time and again questions his friends' blatant criticism and provokes them to try and change their own country. दूर से कमेंट्री देना बहुत आसान होता है, दूसरों को गाली देना और भी आसान. अगर तुम्हें इतना प्रॉब्लम है तो तुम बदलो ना इस देश को. What his words could not do, his death does. Police brutality during a protest shatters the ideological differences of Pandey and Aslam and brings forth the epitome of Hindu-Muslim brotherhood in the form of Bispal and Ashfaqullah Khan. मुझे लगता है कभी कभी इंसान के अंदर की आग उसे इतना दूर खींच लाती है कि डर की सारी हदें ही पार हो जाती हैं और वहाँ होता है एक अजीब सा सुकून. और तब इंसान आज़ाद हो जाता है वो करने के लिए जो सच और सही हो, और यही रास्ता सबसे मुश्किल होता है और सबसे आसान भी. There has been a lot of criticism about how the movie closes. But does it endorse the ending that it provides? Maybe not. The last conversation between callers and Sid clearly shows the intentions of the story. Camera freezes at the smiling faces of DJ and Sid, followed by reaction from various campuses around the country. The evoked youth's ire shows how democratic instincts should always come primary, and realization can be the only redemption. हम सबके पास कुछ ना कुछ है, बस पहचानने की देर है। दिस इज़ द स्टोरी अबाउट ड्यू स्टूडेंट्स जो कॉलेज गेट की एक तरफ लाइफ को नचाते थे एंड नाउ सेट आउट टू मेक देयर देश परफेक्ट। In the words of director himself, this is not just a movie, it's an open conversation with the masses. अब भी जिसका खून न खोला, खून नहीं वो पानी है, जो देश के काम ना आए वो बेकार जवानी है।